Hi, first graders. The last few days we have been talking about opinion writing. Now, when we are writing about our opinion, we are telling others what we think or the way that we feel. The reason we write opinion writing is to convince other people to agree with you. So you have a way that you think or feel, and you want other people to think or feel that way too. The way that we do that is by giving them reasons and details that support our opinion or telling them why we think that way. Every time that you are writing an opinion writing, it needs to have these three things. The first thing on there is a topic sentence. That's where you're going to introduce your opinion. I feel like the best this is blank. I feel like the best fruit is what we've been talking about the last few days. Then you need to have detailed sentences. We are doing 2 sentences or 3 sentences for your details. Then your last part is a conclusion. That is where you are stating once again the way that you think or the way that you feel. Okay? Now, the last few days, we've been talking about the best fruit to eat. So, the first thing we did was we created a circle map that looked like this. Now, in the center of the circle map is where you wrote your favorite fruit. Then, in the big circle is where you wrote all the reasons that you like that fruit or the details that explain why you like that fruit. Okay, today we are going to do the same circle map but with a different topic. Then, yesterday, we did a graphic organizer. Now, graphic organizer is like a pre-write or a rough draft. So it gave us our topic sentence, and you filled in the blank. Then you gave 1, 2, 3 reasons why you thought that this fruit right here was the best. And then once again, you told us your favorite fruit. Okay? So today we are going to talk about the best outdoor activity. So this is anything that you do outside. Okay? So here's some ideas. First of all, do you like to ride a bike? Why or why not? For example, I like to ride a bike because you can get places quicker than walking. Or do you like to skateboard? You can say, yes, I like to skateboard and give us a reason why. Or you can say, I do not like to skateboard and give us a reason why. Go ahead and do that. Okay, our next 2 examples of things to do outside. Do you like to catch insects? Why or why not? Maybe you think it's cool to catch insects and look at them. Or maybe you don't like bugs very much, so you wouldn't like that. What about jump roping? Do you like jump roping? Do you think it's fun? Do you know some good games to play with jump ropes? Why or why not? What about soccer? I've seen a lot of you playing soccer outside when we had recess, so I think a lot of you like to play soccer, but why do you like to play soccer? Do you like it because you get to play with your friends? Do you like to kick the ball? What's your favorite part about soccer? What about playing in the sprinklers? The weather's starting to warm up, so that might be something you get to do. Do you like being wet? Maybe you like to run through the sprinklers. Maybe you like being cold. I don't know. What about walking your dog? Do you like walking your dog or another pet or going for walks outside? What about playing on the slide? What about jumping in the leaves? Now, you can't jump in the leaves now because there's not any leaves on the floor, but maybe you like to do that in the fall. Or do you like to play hide and seek? That's always a fun one. So be thinking about what you want to write about. Now we are going to add it into our circle map. So this one looks just like our favorite fruit one, except it says, what is the best outdoor activity and why do you like it, instead of asking favorite fruit. So I'm going to say that my favorite outdoor activity is walking my dog. So in the activity circle, I'm going to say walk dog. Okay, go ahead and write your favorite activity to do outdoors. Now remember, it can be one that we talked about, or you can think of your own. Anything that you do outside is a valid answer for this. Okay, then we need to come up with some details. Why do I like to walk my dog, or why do you like to do the thing that you chose? I like to walk my dog because I can get fresh air. That's one reason. You go ahead and write a reason for yourself. I also like to walk my dog because it is exercise. Another reason I like to walk my dog is it makes my dog happy. Now, I have 3 reasons here. I want you to try to come up with either at least 3. Try to come up with 4 or 5 so that you have things to choose from. Okay? Here's another example. Your favorite outdoor activity is hiking. Here's some reasons for liking hiking. First of all, it's good exercise. Also, there is nice scenery. That's the things that you can see around you, like the trees. Also, it is fun to hike with friends. Maybe you enjoy going out with your friends. Then it is challenging to hike up steep hills. Also, you can take pictures, see wildlife, or you can hike in different places. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 details right here. Now, when you go to do our graphic organizer tomorrow, you will have lots of details and ideas for yours. I'm excited to see what you decided to write about. Bye.